Hi guys, in this tutorial we will be discussing about the maths model question paper for the year 2015. This model question paper is taken from official Karnataka website that is being mentioned here. There are plenty of questions in this question paper. We'll go one by one. So right now we'll take the first one. So this is the first question in the model question paper that says, if the third term of the geometric progression is 2, then the product of its first 5 terms is what? So there are 4 different answers. This is the objective type question paper question. So do you have any guess on what is the answer is? Yeah. Before we guess, let's look into the solution. So what are they saying? They're saying that the third term of the geometric progression is 2 and we need to find the product of first 5 terms. So when we say third term, it's basically a r square, right? Or a r to the power 2. Before we go into the solving the problem, first what we need to do is get the formula. So basically the nth term is equal a r to the power n minus 1. Here in the question n is 3. What they are saying is the third term, so n is 3. So T3 equals a r square, which is equals to 2. So this 2 is equals to a r square. Next, what do we have to find? We have to find the product of first 5 terms. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 terms here. First term is always a, and then it gets multiplied by r, where r is the ratio, right? So let's try to multiply this. When we multiply, what do we get? So basically what we get is a power 5 to r power 10. So if I can simplify this, or if I can make this answer that actually get resemble with a square, then I can actually substitute this a r square with 2 and get the answer. So that's what I'm doing here. So what I do is I take 5 common and then I represent a r square, or the whole equation with respect to a r square, right? So I know the value for a r square, that is 2. So I substitute it with 2 and I get the answer, 2 power 5. So if you look into the question, same thing. So basically 2 power 5 is the answer. Hope you got this. If you did not get my explanation, please leave a comment below so that I can try to explain you better. Next tutorial will have the second question of maths model question paper. Thank you for watching.